Right, welcome to another lesson in High School ICT. In this lesson we want to look at the find and replace key that we can use. Right, welcome to another lesson in High School ICT. In this lesson we want to look at our find and replace tool, and in our ribbon on our home tab on the far right we have the find and replace grouping. And what's so great about this is if I want to replace a certain word in a document, and it might occur 300 times, 20 times, 10 times, etc. I don't want to have to go look for each word. So for example, I'd like to replace the word video. So I'm going to go and I'm going to click on find. Okay. And I'm going to see that I've got 5 results. And I'll see, great, I want to replace all of those. And I'm going to go to replace and find what? Find video, replace with, and let's say I want to put DVD, for example. And there are different options where you can match the case, so it will look for all capital letters, find the whole words only. So for example, if you've got the word sun and you want to replace sun with, say, moon, but you've also got a word sunshine, then it will only replace the word sun. It won't replace the word, so you get moonshine. It will just replace the word sun to moon, for example. Use wildcards where it finds similar words. Okay, there's the prefix, suffix, etc. So you can go play around with these and find out a little bit more how they work if this is something that interests you more. I can go and I can replace the first word, and then I can click find next. I can also over here say search and search all, so not just from where I started. And then I can also click on replace all, which I'm going to do. We made 2 replacements, and if we have a look over here, we've got DVD provides. So I'm going to look up DVD, and you can see where the results are, where I've had video replaced with DVD. Okay, the next thing that I want to show you is how we also replace the formatting. One thing that I just want to point out is that you'll see that there are other places in the text where we have the word video, for example here, so I didn't replace all of them. The reason for that is that when I did my replace, I asked it to match the case, so it was looking for uppercase. But if I, for example, over here, go and put in right, if I go and I replace and I look for video, Control C, and I'm not going to say match case, but I'm going to say look for DVD, replace all, 2 more replacements, and now all the words with DVD and video have been replaced. So I first replaced DVD and it only found the capitalized words because I said match case, and then I went on and I said find the word video and replace it with DVD, and I should have put a space after DVD. As you can see, it's matched it without a space. Good. So I want to change the online DVD that's underlined and bold, and I've got a few examples where they're underlined and embolded. I might say that I prefer to have that in italics, so once again I'm going to say replace, and I'm going to have this empty, I'm going to click in find what, so I'm going to go to format, to font, and I want to find words that are bold and are underlined, and we're going to use the first line. That's what it's looking for, and I want to replace it with words that are all the words that are underlined and in bold. I want to replace them with italics. see that all the words are now in italics. I might want to replace it further, and I want to clear this formatting, so click formatting, and back to find what. Make sure you click in that bar in the space, and I'm going back to font, and I'm going to look for words that are bold and italic and that are underlined, and I'm going to say replace with format font M, and I'm going to say not bold. Okay, and you can see all my words are now not bolded. Good, go play around with that, and again, as I always say, stop the video, go back, watch, try it yourself, watch again, and keep practicing the skill to master it. Till next time then.